Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one you might see in formal writing or hear in thoughtful conversations. Albeit. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is albeit or albeit. Let's break it down step by step. First, all, like all, but with a soft L sound. Then B, which sounds like buzzing insect, B. And finally, it, just like the word it. Now say it with me, albeit. One more time, albeit. Great job. So what does albeit mean? It's a fancy way to say although or even though. For example, the weather was cold, albeit sunny. She was tired, albeit happy with her progress. Did you know? Albeit comes from Middle English and is actually a combination of three words, all, be, and it. It's been used in English since the 14th century. Fun fact, although albeit sounds formal, it's still commonly used in everyday writing and speeches. Here's a quick spelling tip. It's spelled Albeit. Now that you know how to pronounce and use albeit, you can confidently include it in your conversations and writing. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.